Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our third brake light assembly. To do this, you're going to remove 2 Phillips head screws. Let's remove the pair. Once both of those are out of there, we're going to start removing this from the body of the vehicle. Keep in mind, you're going to have an electrical connector, and you also have a washer fluid hose on the backside. We'll just go ahead and use our plastic trim tool, put it right up and in between here, and you can pull it away from the body of the vehicle. Let's start by removing the electrical connector along the side right here. For this, I'm going to use my index finger, and I'm going to squeeze right along the top. There's a little tab, and then you should be able to pull this right out. Every time you disconnect an electrical connector, give it a quick inspection. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion and it would need to be dealt with. Let's move along to the washer fluid hose. I'll just get this right out of the way. Now when you remove this, you want to be very careful not to damage the hose or of course the washer fluid connector. I'll just use my pocket screwdriver and I'm going to carefully break this free. You can also try using a pick. There it is, friends. Before we go ahead and put our third brake lamp assembly back in place on the body, let's go ahead and wipe it down so it's clean and free of any debris. To connect this on, let's start with the washer fluid hose. We're going to take that and we're going to press it on there as far as we can. Give it a tug to make sure it's secure so it doesn't fall off when you try using it. Let's make our way over here. We're going to reconnect this in as well. Listen for a click. Give it a tug. Make sure it's secure. Now let's go ahead and slide this down into position. Just roll it right down in there. Start in both of your mounting bolts and then snug them up. Make sure it's nice and secure and it's completely seated up against the body of the vehicle, otherwise you might potentially get a water leak.